Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Lexus IS250 air filter. Open the hood and disconnect the negative battery cable for safety. Remove the engine cover if present, then unclip the air box using a flat screwdriver. Take out the old filter, inspect the housing for debris, and clean it with a shop vacuum. Install the new filter with the sealing edge seated firmly, reassemble, and reconnect the battery. Remove clips and fasteners gently to avoid breaking plastic tabs and store them where you won't lose them. Lift the airbox cover straight up to prevent bending the housing. Slide the old filter out and inspect its pleats for excessive dirt or oil residue. Use a clean, dry cloth or small vacuum to remove leaves and dust from the housing. Check duct clamps and gaskets, then prepare the new filter for installation. If this walkthrough is useful, please subscribe and like to support more simple car tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your cabin smelling great after you change the air filter. It's a small touch that makes driving more pleasant and helps you enjoy the fresh air you just ensured by replacing the filter. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Seat the new filter carefully, aligning it so the airflow arrow faces the engine and the rubber seal sits flush. Press the filter into the housing evenly to avoid compressing pleats. Replace the airbox cover and verify every clip and screw is tight so no gaps remain. Reinstall any removed engine covers and reconnect the negative battery cable. Run the engine briefly to listen for unusual noises, confirming a proper fit and system integrity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.